Guys, how are you guys doing today? I know it's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while that I've come up on this channel, and the reason why is that a lot has been going on. You know, at the background, a lot has been going on uh, with me. So that was the reason why I was kind of low a little bit. I'm kind of offline from my channel here on this main channel. You know. So currently, I'm still in my country, Burkina Faso. Yeah, as you can see. Uh, yeah, I'm just trying to put some things together, because a lot has been going on, seriously. In fact, as a matter of fact, there's a video I'm trying to document, and later on I'm going to drop it so you guys know what really happened. I got arrested, and then my phone, my gears, my filming gears, everything got suspended. It was a little bit rough, but we thank God that things have gotten better, and I've been able to solve the case. But as of now, my phones, my camera, my drones, everything that I use for filming is still at the military camp, because here in Burkina Faso, as you know, due to our president Ibrahim Traore, is actually trying to develop the country, and due to that, a lot of securities has been in town. Every checkpoint there's a security. So I was filming in one area that is not allowed to film. But as you know, in this channel I try to go deep. So, and I got arrested. As a matter of fact, I slept in the prison. Should I say in the prison or not in the prison? The custody for 2 days. Actually, 3 days, 2 nights. It was rough, but yeah, we thank God. We thank God for life. But I just want to come up online to just address this issue, because you guys may think that why you guys may be wondering why I've been silent a long for. You guys may be wondering why I've been silent for so long on my channel, but yeah, very soon we'll be back, and a lot of adventure is coming up. Yeah, a lot. I have a lot of places to explore, to show you guys the amazing work that is going on in this country, Burkina Faso, and in some province, in some states in Burkina Faso as well. I think that's going to be all. You guys should do well to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Yeah, until then, I'll see you guys. Stay blessed and stay put. Peace out.